Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 12, Indefinite Integration, part 5a. That means you have already got lesson. You must go through that lesson. Now please pay your attention on the board. This is on substitution method. Substitution, that means you have to substitute something. Please follow the method attentively. The sums given from M.L. Agarwal's book, exercise 8.3, sum number 4, part 1. Sum you will get in your book, and here also it is written clearly. After writing the sum, we have to substitute from the given expression. Here 7 minus 2x equal to t. Which part we are considering, that part we have to differentiate. If we differentiate 7, then it will be 0, and minus 2x, that is minus 2 dx, and differentiation of t, that is dt. And by simplifying, that is dx equal to dt, this is the minus, dt minus 2, this. Then by writing the sum, we have to substitute, that is root over 7 minus 2x. In place of 7 minus 2x, we are putting t, and in place of dx, we are writing minus dt by 2. I think no problem. Then we have to simplify. Here half will come outside of the integration. Here is minus sign, so minus also will come outside of integration. Then root over t, that means t to the power half, that is in denominator. When you will take in numerator, then sign will be minus, so it will be t to the power minus half dt. Now we are getting in the frame of formula, that is x to the power n. That is, by applying the formula, we are getting t to the power minus half plus 1 and half plus 1 plus c, that is constant. Then by simplification, we are getting minus root over 7 minus 2x plus c. This step, if you follow attentively, then easily you will understand. Sum is completed. Next sum. Evaluate this. First, writing the sum. After then, we have to substitute, that is x plus 1 equal to t. What we are considering, that we have to differentiate. The differentiation of x, that is 1, that is dx, and constant, that is 0, and differentiation of t, that is dt. This completed. Now x equal to t minus 1. In place of x, we have to substitute t minus 1, and in place of x plus 1 whole square, that is x plus 1, that is t square, and in place of dx equal to dt. I think it is clear. Next, this part by separating, that is t by t square, one part, that is dt. Here is minus sign, so minus 1 by t square dt. I think it is clear. T and t square will be cancelled, then it will be dt by t, and 1 by t square. If we take denominator to numerator, then the power will be minus, so it will be t to the power minus 2 dt. Now both we are getting in the frame of formula, that is dt by t, that is log t, and here that is t to the power n, that is x to the power n. By applying the formula, we are getting this, then plus c, and log t plus, by simplifying, we are getting simple simplification. Here is minus, here is minus. Minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, that is plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, that is t to the power minus 1. T to the power minus 1, that is 1 by t. I think it is clear. Then value of t, that is x plus 1. X plus 1, value of t, that is x plus 1 plus c. Sum is completed. I think it is clear. Another method, that is long division method. The sum is this, sum number 13 part 2. When you will follow this long division method, when you will see the power of numerator greater than power of denominator. Here power of x, that is cube, here power of x, that is 1, 3 is greater than 1. This is why we have to follow long division method. This division that you have learned at class 7, but here it is given clearly for the sake of clear understanding. That is x cube, in quotient it will be x square and x, that is x cube, plus 2 into x square, that is 2x square. By changing the sign, we are getting 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Then plus 2, that is plus 2x, 2x plus x, that is 2x square, 2 plus 2, that is 4x. By changing the sign and simplifying, we are getting minus 7x minus 2, and here is minus, so minus 7, minus 7x, 2 into 2 minus 14. By changing the sign, it is coming plus 12. This plus 12 we have to write, here is plus sign, so here will be plus 12 by x plus 2. I think it is clear, you have learned this at class 7. Now with this result we have to proceed. So x square plus 2x minus x plus 12 by x plus 2 whole to dx. That is dx. By separating, we are getting x square dx. These two will come outside of the integration. X dx minus 7 will come outside, that is dx. 12 also will come outside, that is dx by x plus 2. Now all are in the frame of formula, that is x to the power n. By applying the formula, here this is dx by x, that is log x. By applying the formula, log x plus c. Now by simplifying, very simple simplification, here is 2, here is 2, 2 will be cancelled, that is 3, 3 1 by 3, so 7x, 12 log x plus 2 mod x plus 2 plus c. This is the answer. Very simple, you have to follow attentively. This is the division method. I think it is also clear. Okay, thank you everybody.